Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Jack Daniel's Indian Limited Edition first look. So make sure to watch the full video. Indian Motorcycle and Jack Daniel's continue their special edition partnership with the new 2023 Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse. There will be 177 examples of this motorcycle, which looks to Jack Daniel's Old No. 7 Tennessee whiskey for inspiration. With the Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse as a starting point, here's what you get with the Jack Daniel's Limited Edition model. Super Graphite Metallic paint with Jack Daniel's Old No. 7 whiskey mixed in. An I logo on the tank in the Indian motorcycle script. Jack Daniel's branding on the fenders and seat. A Montana Silversmith's badge with the motorcycle's serial number. Jack Daniel's signature on the rear fender. And etched into the exhaust crossover. Old No. 7 brand on right side cover. White center rims wire lace to the hubs. Clockworks flared deflector with tinting. Highlighted cylinders and head. Rocker covers and pushrod tubes painted in cloud silver. The Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse is yet another powerful and dynamic representation of the quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail that is core to both of our brands. Indian Motorcycle Vice President Aaron Jacks declared, "This time, we decided to pay homage to Jack Daniel's iconic Old No. 7, the most iconic of Jack Daniel's whiskeys, pairing it with the Chief Bobber Dark Horse. Both products are timeless American originals that share a combination of no-nonsense simplicity and premium quality. The 2023 Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse marks the 7th collaboration between Indian and Jack Daniel's, and it's all done on a handshake agreement, according to Jack Daniel's Director of Sponsorships and Partnerships, Greg Lewis. 2023 Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse price, $24,499. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.